Hello, everyone, and welcome to CE Institute. My name is Selena Belisle. I am one of the instructors here of myofascial techniques. And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some fusion of massage with friction and fascial techniques all in one for about a minute on a motorcycle rash accident survivor. They told this gentleman that he was lucky that they were able to save all of his toes and digits, even though they are not in the best condition. And so, if you find someone who does not have the normal anatomy that we're used to working with, I want to show you that it is usually acceptable and probably advisable to work soft tissue techniques over road rash to try and provide some flexibility and help the area repair, increase circulation, maintain balance, and more, especially when it's on the foot like this. So let's get started. You'll be able to see the toes here. They are quite distorted and no longer in their normal anatomical position. I'm starting with some palming here, which is usually a fascial technique, going a little bit quickly. Now I'm doing some friction techniques through the metatarsals here and some circular friction on the dorsum of the foot. Notice that I'm retracting the toes, trying to flex them a little bit to try and stretch some of the ligaments and tendons throughout the toes as well. Now I'm going to use my thenar eminence to stretch across the dorsum of the foot where there's a lot of road rash, a lot of fibrosis. Retracting the toes again, pushing down with a palming technique, going a little bit slower as we're going a little bit deeper here to try and relieve some of that road rash. Our goal is to try and make this circular friction techniques and stuff right now. Our goal is to try and create some flexibility to increase circulation, to stretch contracted tissues, and hopefully that will restore some balance, some sensation, some feeling for the client, and help them develop healthy tissues so that they will be able to enjoy their foot and not think of it as something that's just full of road rash. Please come and visit us at the school in our myofascial training and other subjects. You can visit us at ceinstitute.com. And until we see you in a training, be safe.